Welcome back, viewers. There's a big political tussle which has broken out over the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign. Remember, the Prime Minister has been batting for the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign, asking people to contribute to unfurl the national flag when it comes to the run-up to the celebrations of Independence Day. But Congress's Jairam Ramesh has taken a dig at the BJP. In fact, he has, in a long tweet which he's put out, he has said that it's a bid, quote-unquote, by the Prime Minister to try and appropriate the Tiranga. And he has basically also hit out at the RSS, saying that the RSS has a checkered history, quote-unquote, Jairam Ramesh's word, and the RSS, quote-unquote, had long disowned Tiranga, according to Jairam Ramesh. Now, my colleague Sabyasachi joining us live. Sabyasachi, the row or politics over the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign in the run-up to the Independence Day celebration is escalating. Take us through Jairam Ramesh's reaction on social media and how the BJP has countered the same.
Well, see, Congress leader Jairam Ramesh has taken a dig at Prime Minister's Har Ghar Tiranga campaign. Now, Jairam Ramesh says that the RSS has a historical disagreement over the Tiranga, and in fact, the tweet that he has posted, now Jairam Ramesh in that particular post has highlighted that the RSS has the historical disagreement with the Tiranga. In the past instances also, RSS has been reluctant towards the Tiranga. Now, Jairam Ramesh also points out that in 1947, the second RSS chief, in fact, in his book has stated that the Tiranga is communal, and in 1947 RSS magazine in fact carried an article where they had said that the Tiranga will not be respected by the Hindus in the country. And Jairam Ramesh also went on to say that it was till 2001 that in fact the RSS did not put the Indian flag at their building. It was after that they started putting the Indian flag.
Exactly, and Sabyasachi, since you're talking about the politics and the reactions which are coming in, we have a breaking news and a breaking reaction which has come in. So BJP is hit back at the Congress party. They have said, and I quote, Congress should look at their ally and their partners. In fact, the BJP goes on to cite the CPM and says that they hoisted the national flag in 2021 only. In fact, they say that the DMK, quoting the BJP, says hoisted the black flag on August 15th. So this is a reaction which has come on the side of the BJP. They have hit out at Jairam Ramesh over him questioning the BJP and the Prime Minister over the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign. Tussle over the Tiranga campaign escalating. This is the latest tweet which has been put out by the BJP. Earlier, we had taken you through what Jairam Ramesh had to say. Sabyasachi is still live with us. Yes, Sabyasachi, over to you. Take us through the BJP's counter.
Well, absolutely. See, the BJP has hit back at Jairam Ramesh, stating that Jairam Ramesh and the Congress leader should look at their own allies. See, the BJP has cited example of the DMK, of the CPIM, that in 2001 only they had hoisted the national flag and their old building. See, this particular reference come in after Jairam Ramesh has hit back at Prime Minister Narendra Modi, stating that it was only after 2001 when the national flag was hoisted at the RSS building. In fact, he also leveled allegation against the RSS, stating that in 2015 the RSS wanted that the saffron color should only be in the national flag. Other colors should not be there, as it portrays a communal ideology. So clearly the war of words is going to escalate. Now Jairam Ramesh also in fact have taken a jibe at Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So clearly, on the other hand, the BJP has hit back at the Congress party, stating that the Congress party should look back at their own allies, that in 2001, be it the CPIM, the DMK, they also did not hoist the national flag at their own respective.
Between the BJP and the Congress over the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign escalating. Sabyasachi, thank you for taking us through all the reactions which have come in on this big story. We'll keep an eye on the politics around the Tiranga campaign through the course of the day. As of now, slipping into a short commercial break.